Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Moneymakers. You ready for another deep dive?
Absolutely. Always ready to explore something new.
Well, today we're going deep into AI affiliate marketing.
Sounds interesting. I'm all ears.
If you are just joining us for the first time,
Oh, yeah. Welcome.
hit that subscribe button because we're going to uncover some serious strategies to potentially change your financial life.
It's amazing how AI is shaking things up, Like everything's changing so fast, and this is a really cool way it can help you earn passive income.
Okay, so before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's break it down for everyone listening. Okay, what exactly is AI affiliate marketing?
So basically, it starts with finding products or services that you absolutely love, and then you share them with your audience, right?
Okay, I see where this is going.
And if someone buys something using your special link, you get a commission.
So it's kind of like recommending a good movie to a friend.
Exactly.
Right.
Except in this case, you get a little something for your awesome taste.
Ooh, I like that. So AI is like the secret ingredient that takes this whole affiliate marketing thing and supercharges it.
Exactly. AI tools can automate tasks, create super engaging content, and even help you reach the perfect people. It's like having a whole team of digital assistants working for you 24/7.
That sounds pretty amazing.
Hmm.
So let's say someone wants to try this whole AI affiliate marketing thing. Where do they even begin?
Okay, great question. I think the first step is to figure out what you're really passionate about.
Yeah,
Yeah.
passion, that makes sense. But why is passion so important?
Well, think about it. If you're genuinely excited about what you're promoting, it'll show. Your enthusiasm will be contagious, and people will be more likely to trust your recommendations.
Makes sense. People can spot a fake a mile away.
Yeah.
So you've tapped into your passion, you've found your niche. What's next?
Next, step two is to build your brand. And this is where you got to make a choice.
Hmm.
Do you want to be the face of your brand, connecting with people directly? Or do you prefer staying behind the scenes and letting your content speak for itself?
Hmm, that's a tough one. So, like, are you an influencer or more like, you know, anonymous?
Exactly. Both can be super successful. Personal brands can build huge followings, but some people prefer staying under the radar, and that can work amazingly well, too.
Yeah, totally. So, niche is set, the brand is coming together. When do those AI tools actually kick in?
That's step three, and that's where the treasure hunt begins. You need to find those high-paying affiliate links.
High paying. I like the sound of that.
You want links that give you big commissions, at least like $50 or more per referral. Think about things people are willing to invest in.
Okay, give me some examples. What kind of affiliate programs are we talking about?
So think about investment apps that help people grow their money, or online learning platforms teaching valuable skills. And don't forget about the big e-commerce platforms. They offer incredible affiliate programs.
So many options. I am ready to build my AI affiliate marketing empire. But there's just one thing. I'm not exactly a tech wizard, websites and all that.
Exactly.
Is that going to be a problem?
Not at all. Step four is all about building your online presence, and AI makes it super easy these days.
Okay, I am all about easy. Tell me more.
There are platforms that practically build your website for you. AI-powered builders, they take your basic info and bam, a professional-looking website in minutes.
Hold on. No coding, no nothing.
It's incredible, right? And it gets even better. They also usually have AI writing tools to help with your content.
Wait. So AI is designing the website, A&D writing the content. What's the catch?
The catch is there's no catch. They're usually really affordable, even for someone starting out. You get everything you need: free domain, email hosting, marketing tools, the whole 9 yards, and all for much less than traditional web development.
Okay, color me impressed. So AI is handling all that techie stuff, which means I can focus on, sharing my passion.
Exactly. AI empowers you to focus on being creative and strategic with your business.
This is revolutionary. Okay, I got my niche, my brand, my AI-powered website, and my affiliate links ready to go. What's next in this affiliate adventure?
Step five is where the magic really happens. Content. We're going to create engaging, informative content that draws people to your website and those valuable affiliate links. And guess what? AI can help every step of the way.
Content is king. That's what they say. But honestly, coming up with fresh ideas all the time, making content that actually stands out, it's tough. But does AI help with that?
Well, AI video generation tools can whip up professional-looking videos in just minutes, even if you've never edited a video in your life.
Wait, hold up. AI is making my videos now.
Yep. You tell the AI what kind of video you want, and it'll make it happen. Think explainer videos, product reviews, even fun stuff for social media.
That is wild.
Yeah.
But what if I'm drawing a blank? Like, where do I get ideas for these AI masterpieces?
Use platforms like TikTok. See what's trending, what's getting attention, and then have AI recreate those winning concepts.
So we're not reinventing the wheel here.
Exactly. You save time, effort, and it's more likely your content will resonate with people.
This is amazing. It's like AI is giving us the power to create content that people actually want to see. But let's not forget about building a direct connection with the audience.
That's step 6. Building an email list, and this is like your secret weapon for affiliate marketing. Think of it as your VIP club.
Email. Seriously, I feel like everyone's all about social media these days. How does email even fit in?
Well, social media is great for reach, but email lets you talk to people directly in a personal way. You can share special content, offers, and of course, those affiliate links.
I'm starting to see why building that list is so important. But how do I get people to actually sign up for my email list?
Offer them something awesome in exchange, a free ebook, a discount code, exclusive content, give them a reason to join your VIP club.
Love that. It's like they get value and I get to build my list. But what about the emails themselves? Writing good emails is tough.
Don't worry, AI can help you write those too. AI writing tools can make your emails engaging and they'll subtly promote your affiliate links without being pushy.
So AI is there for us every step of the way. Building a website, making content, even sending emails. It's like having a virtual marketing expert right there with you.
AI truly is a game changer. But there's one platform I have to mention, especially for beginners. It's like the secret weapon for affiliate marketing. You know what I'm talking about.
Okay, you've got me on the edge of my seat. What platform is this secret weapon?
It's Pinterest.
Pinterest. Seriously. I usually think of Pinterest for like recipes and DIY projects. What does that have to do with affiliate marketing?
Well, Pinterest is a visual search engine, right? People go there looking for products, ideas, inspiration. If you can create cool visual pins that link back to your website or affiliate offers, you can tap into a gold mine.
I never thought about it that way.
Yeah.
So I need to make pins that stand out and grab people's attention.
Exactly. High quality images, catchy headlines, and don't forget keywords in the description so people can easily find your content.
This is brilliant. So we've got our 6 steps, but I got to ask, is there anything else, any other nuggets of wisdom you want to share before we, move on?
One more thing. This is just the beginning, okay?
Yeah.
There's a whole universe of knowledge out there about AI affiliate marketing. If you want to really level up, consider diving into some courses or resources.
Okay, so we've covered the basics. And for those who are ready to go deeper, there's a whole world of advanced strategies waiting for them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
AI affiliate marketing is an incredible opportunity. It's like opening a door to a whole new way of making money online.
It really does feel like we're just scratching the surface of what's possible with AI.
Mhm.
Before we move on, I want to recap the amazing power of AI in affiliate marketing. It can build your website, create amazing content, help you analyze what's working, and even write your emails.
And all of this is available right at your fingertips.
It's mind-blowing how much AI can do for us. And the best part is, it's only going to get more powerful and sophisticated in the future. But before we dive into the future of AI, we need to address the elephant in the room, the question that everyone's thinking about. Will robots steal our job?
Ah, the million-dollar question.
Hmm.
And one that we can't ignore. So let's dive in, shall we?
Let's do it.
So will robots steal our jobs?
I mean, it's a valid question, right? AI is changing everything so fast, it's a little unsettling.
It is, but I think it's important to remember that AI is a tool. It's here to help us, not replace us. At least not entirely.
Okay, that's reassuring.
Yeah.
But there are definitely jobs that are going to be, impacted by AI.
Absolutely. Automation is going to change the landscape of work. Some jobs will become obsolete. That's just the reality. But I think it's important to focus on the opportunities that AI is creating.
Opportunities. Like what?
Well, think about it. AI is going to create entirely new industries, new jobs that we haven't even thought of yet, jobs that require skills that AI can't replicate.
Okay, I'm starting to see the silver lining here. So it's not just about jobs disappearing, it's about jobs evolving.
Exactly. And that means we need to evolve, too. We need to be adaptable, embrace lifelong learning, and focus on developing skills that complement AI.
So instead of fearing AI, we should see it as a partner, a collaborator that can help us achieve more than we ever could on our own.
I love that way of looking at it. It's about finding that synergy between human and artificial intelligence. We bring the creativity, the critical thinking, the problem-solving skills, and AI amplifies those abilities.
So what are some practical steps people can take to, stay ahead of the curve?
Well, first and foremost, be curious. Stay informed about the latest AI developments. There are tons of resources out there, blogs, podcasts, online courses. Immerse yourself in the world of AI, and you'll naturally start to see the opportunities.
That makes sense. Don't bury your head in the sand. Embrace the change.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try out new AI tools. Play around with different applications. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn about what AI can do and how you can leverage it to your advantage.
I love that. It's all about exploring and discovering those hidden gems in the AI landscape. Any other tips you want to share?
One more thing, and this is something I'm really passionate about: the ethical implications of AI. As AI becomes more powerful, it's crucial that we use it responsibly.
Ethical implications. Can you elaborate on that a bit?
Sure. AI can be used for good or for bad. It's up to us, the humans behind the technology, to ensure that AI is used to benefit society as a whole, not just a select few. We need to be mindful of things like bias, privacy, and the potential impact of AI on employment.
That's a really important point. We can't just blindly embrace AI without considering the potential consequences.
Exactly. It's about finding that balance between innovation and responsibility. We need to have open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of AI and work together to create guidelines and regulations that ensure AI is used for good.
So it's not just about the technology itself, it's about the human values that guide its development and application.
That's it. AI should be a force for good in the world, and it's up to us to make that happen.
Well said. This conversation has been incredibly eye-opening. It's clear that AI is going to have a profound impact on all aspects of our lives. And as we've discussed, it's crucial that we approach AI with both enthusiasm and caution. We need to embrace the incredible opportunities that AI presents while also being mindful of the potential risks and challenges.
Absolutely. It's a delicate balance, but one that we need to strike if we want to create a future where AI benefits all of humanity.
And on that note, we're going to take a quick break and be right back to wrap up this deep dive into AI affiliate marketing. Stay tuned. Welcome back to AI Moneymakers. We're wrapping up our AI affiliate marketing deep dive today.
Yeah, hopefully everyone listening is feeling as pumped about this as we are.
Absolutely. I know I've learned a ton. But, with all this talk about the future and AI changing the world, it's easy to get lost in the big picture. What are some key takeaways our listeners can put into action right now?
Great question. The first one is simple. AI is a tool, not a magic wand.
Right. Like it's not going to magically make you rich overnight.
Exactly. You're still the brains behind the operation, right? You have to bring the ideas, the strategy, and the passion. AI just helps you do it better and faster.
That makes sense. It's like AI can help you write a blog post, but it's up to you to come up with a topic and make it interesting.
Exactly. So takeaway number 2, don't be afraid to experiment. The AI world is changing so fast. What works today might not work tomorrow. Try new tools, see what sticks. You never know what you might discover.
Yeah, I like that. Be a little adventurous with it. Step outside your comfort zone.
Totally. And that leads perfectly to takeaway number 3. Never stop learning. Read blogs, listen to podcasts, take some online courses. The more you learn about AI, the more you'll be able to use it effectively.
Knowledge is power, right? Especially in the world of AI, where things are changing so quickly.
Absolutely. And finally, takeaway number 4. Always remember that AI should be used ethically.
Ethical AI. Can you unpack that a little?
It's about making sure we use AI in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few. We have to think about the impact of AI on society, on jobs, on the future as a whole.
That's a big responsibility.
It is, but it's one we can't ignore. We have the power to shape the future of AI, and it's crucial that we do it with intention and a focus on what's best for humanity.
Well said. So as we wrap up this deep dive into AI affiliate marketing, I want to thank everyone for joining us on this incredible journey. It's been a blast exploring this fascinating world with you.
It really has. And to all of you listening, don't forget to subscribe to AI Moneymakers for more deep dives into the world of AI and all the exciting money-making opportunities it has to offer.
Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep those AI engines running.